2004 Prius, AC not working. Initial visual, I could see all the oil down on the condenser, and I'll let you take a look at that so you can see what a real big obvious leak looks like. So can you see, you see where it's dry looking over there, and then the shadow starts getting darker? That is all oil. And let me see if I could zoom in, and let's do some zoom here. Get you a closer look. Let's get over here. Up there we go. See all that oil and dust residue? That's what we're looking at. She's a leaker, mama. All right, so now that we established that, still got to look for oil leaks. I had 0 refrigerant, so I'm evacuating. I'm about to recharge it because we still don't know if the compressor is still good. We don't know if the pressure switch good, any of the controls or anything else. So the only way you can test that, that's a really slowly, is fill it up, run it, test it, verify everything works and is good, and then drain it back out and replace the bad part. All right, so I injected dye in there too. There is no dye in there. As you look in the sight glass right there, that's the UV light on there, and the sight glass is not glowing. So I'm going to fill this system up. Let's turn off the vacuum. So we're closing the vacuum. This is a good thing about that. I've already vacuumed out this port. It's all cleaned out, closed it, opened up the refrigerant path. So the refrigerant is filled in this line with liquid refrigerant right up to this point right here, ready to go. So the suction is off, low side is off. Turning the vacuum off. Vacuum is off. And our scale, let's zero out our scale. Our scale is at 0. As you can see, this wasn't an accident before. This is a Toyota replacement part, but none of the stickers were put in here. All the stickers are missing from this, so you can tell it was at, I call a hack shop anytime they do that. Because if you were trading in your car or went to sell your car secondhand, and as soon as you open up the hood, you see all the stickers are missing, you instantly know it's been in an accident. And of course, someone's going to ask for more money off on the deal because they say, hey, this car's been in a big accident, all the stickers are missing. And you lose value. When stickers are missing, you lose value on your car because people know it was in an accident. So let's get on to charging this. Okay, right here. 1, 2, 3. I can't turn it. Jesus Christ, my gloves are slipping. Okay, old people's problems, getting arthritis in the hands. Okay, we're filling up. 100 grams, 200 grams, 300 grams, and I'm gonna stop right there. 410, that's good enough for testing. So that's filled up, what was that, less than 60 seconds? And that's filled up in the liquid line right here. So this liquid line is now filled with refrigerant. There's no liquid refrigerant on the suction line, it's all on the liquid line. And as you can still see, when looking in the sight glass, there is no dye there.